Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Hi, today I'm going to share with you all how I do curry bodi. Curry bodi is one of the sides that we typically use here locally to eat with our roti or bus up shot or curry chicken, curry goat, curry shrimp. Curry bodi is one of the sides that we use. So I'm going to show you all how I do my curry bodi. I'm going to add some oil first. Some onions to caramelize to bring out that nice flavor of onion. After our onions caramelize a little like here, we're going to add the curry powder. I like to soak my curry powder a little bit in water first before I use it. The hydration of the powder, it kind of, to me, it cooks it a little better. We'll let the curry cook a little bit before we add our bodi and the rest of our ingredients. I'm going to add a little water. After we have cooked the curry powder, we're going to add the bodi. Some clove, garlic, pimento, celery, chive, thyme, of course our Chadon beni, black pepper, salt to taste, one bay leaf, one habanero hot pepper. We stir and cover and allow the beans to cook. We can add a little water to the beans if needed, just to steam it a little. Make sure to stir properly to get the curry distributed evenly and all the other seasoning. We cover and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to check our curry bodi. Give it a stir. Now the tenderness of the bodi is kind of to your own preference. Some people may like their bodi with a little bite on it. Some people may like their bodi very soft. It's entirely up to you. Right, but this bodi, however, this is ready to serve. Just gonna give it a little stir.